Fish Labs Digital Risk Protection Online Training. What is Fish Labs Digital Risk Protection and why is it essential for cybersecurity? Fish Labs Digital Risk Protection is a cybersecurity service designed to identify, analyze, and mitigate digital threats across the Internet, including social media, dark web, phishing sites, and other online channels. It provides proactive monitoring and response to protect organizations from external cyber threats that target their brand, employees, and customers. Why is Fish Labs Digital Risk Protection essential for cybersecurity? Proactive threat detection. Fish Labs continuously monitors online sources such as social media, the deep and dark web, and phishing sites to detect malicious activities targeting an organization. Brand protection. Cybercriminals often create fake websites, impersonate brands, or distribute fraudulent content. Fish Labs helps in identifying and taking down these threats to prevent brand abuse and reputational damage. Phishing attack prevention. One of Fish Labs' key features is identifying and stopping phishing attacks before they reach employees or customers, reducing the risk of credential theft and fraud. Dark web monitoring. Cybercriminals often sell stolen data or discuss attacks on dark web forums. Fish Labs scans these hidden spaces to detect exposed sensitive information and potential threats. Social media protection. Attackers use social media for impersonation scams, fake promotions, and misinformation. Fish Labs identifies fraudulent accounts and content to prevent scams. Threat intelligence and automated response. By collecting real-time threat intelligence, Fish Labs enables security teams to respond quickly and efficiently to mitigate risks before they escalate into major incidents. Regulatory compliance support. Many industries require organizations to monitor and protect their digital presence to comply with security regulations, example GDPR, PCI DSS, etc. Fish Labs helps meet these compliance requirements. Fraud prevention. It prevents financial fraud schemes, such as business email compromise, BEC, fake job postings, and cryptocurrency scams that exploit an organization's name. How does Fish Labs identify and mitigate digital threats across online channels? Fish Labs, a digital risk protection solution by Fotra, identifies and mitigates digital threats across online channels using a multi-layered approach. Here's how. 1. Threat intelligence and detection. 24/7 monitoring. Fish Labs continuously scans social media, websites, mobile apps, dark web forums, and email for signs of phishing, brand impersonation, fraud, and data leaks. AI and machine learning. Advanced algorithms detect suspicious domain registrations, fake social media accounts, and phishing campaigns before they go live. Threat actor profiling. The platform analyzes attacker tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, to anticipate future threats. 2. Threat mitigation and takedown. Automated takedowns. Fish Labs works with domain registrars, hosting providers, and social media platforms to rapidly remove fraudulent websites, fake profiles, and malicious content. Credential compromise mitigation. If stolen credentials are detected on the dark web, Fish Labs helps organizations prevent unauthorized access by implementing security controls. Email threat protection. The solution integrates with email security tools to block phishing attempts before they reach users. 3. Digital risk protection. Brand protection detects unauthorized use of logos, trademarks, and brand names across various online platforms. Executive and employee threat monitoring identifies threats targeting high-profile individuals and employees to prevent identity fraud or social engineering attacks. Dark web monitoring tracks discussions and leaked data on underground forums to prevent fraud and financial loss. 4. Incident response and reporting. Threat analysis and forensics. Security analysts investigate threats, analyze attack vectors, and provide actionable intelligence. Real-time alerts and reports. Organizations receive detailed insights on ongoing threats, including recommended actions to strengthen security posture. Integration with CM and SOC. Fishlabs can feed threat intelligence into Security Information and Event Management (CM) and Security Operations Center (SOC) platforms for proactive defense. What are the key features of Fishlabs' digital risk protection for brand and reputation security? Fishlabs Digital Risk Protection (DRP) offers a comprehensive solution to safeguard brands and reputations from digital threats. Key features include: brand impersonation protection detects and mitigates fake websites, social media impersonations, and fraudulent mobile apps that exploit your brand identity. Social media threat monitoring identifies malicious posts, fake accounts, and phishing campaigns targeting your brand across major social media platforms. Dark web monitoring tracks brand-related mentions, credential leaks, and threat actor discussions on underground forums and dark web marketplaces. Phishing detection and takedown identifies and takes down phishing websites that attempt to steal credentials or distribute malware using your brand. Domain and typo squatting protection monitors and prevents unauthorized domain registrations that mimic your brand name for fraudulent activities. Executive and employee threat monitoring protects high-profile executives and employees from impersonation, doxing, and targeted attacks. Threat intelligence and analysis provides actionable intelligence on emerging threats, attack tactics, and adversaries targeting your brand. Automated and managed response combines automated takedown of threats with expert managed response services to mitigate risks efficiently. Mobile app threat protection detects and removes fake or malicious mobile applications impersonating your brand on app stores. Marketplace and e-commerce fraud detection identifies counterfeit products, fraudulent sellers, and unauthorized brand usage on online marketplaces. How can organizations leverage Fishlabs to detect and respond to phishing attacks? Organizations can leverage Fishlabs to detect and respond to phishing attacks through a combination of threat intelligence, digital risk protection, and automated response mechanisms. Here's how. 1. Threat intelligence and phishing detection. Proactive monitoring. Fishlabs continuously scans emails, websites, social media, and dark web sources to detect phishing threats targeting an organization. Machine learning and human analysis. AI-powered detection combined with human threat analysts helps identify phishing campaigns in real time. Domain and brand protection detects fraudulent domains and impersonation attempts before they can harm users. 2. Employee security awareness and training. Phishing simulations helps train employees by simulating real-world phishing attacks to improve their ability to recognize and report threats. Real-time reporting tools provides users with the ability to report suspicious emails directly from their inbox. 3. Automated threat response. Threat takedown works with ISPs, domain registrars, and hosting providers to remove phishing sites and malicious content. API integration with security tools connects with SIEMs, SOAR platforms, and email security solutions to automate responses. Threat intelligence feeds supplies security teams with detailed data on ongoing phishing campaigns for proactive defense. 4. Digital risk protection. Social media and dark web monitoring identifies leaked credentials, brand impersonation, and phishing attacks targeting customers. Mobile app threat detection detects and removes fraudulent apps impersonating the organization. 5. Incident response and forensics. Detailed attack analysis provides deep insights into attack patterns, tactics, and threat actors. Forensic investigations helps security teams trace the origins of phishing attacks and improve defenses. What role does threat intelligence play in Fishlab's digital risk protection? Threat intelligence plays a crucial role in Fishlab's digital risk protection (DRP) by enabling proactive detection, analysis, and mitigation of digital threats. Here's how it contributes. 1. Early threat detection. Uses threat intelligence feeds to identify phishing attacks, brand impersonations, and credential leaks before they impact the organization. Monitors social media, deep web, dark web, and underground forums for emerging threats. 2. Threat analysis and attribution. Leverages intelligence to analyze threat actor tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs. Helps in identifying phishing kits, malware, and infrastructure used by attackers. 3. Automated takedowns and remediation. Uses real-time intelligence to quickly escalate and neutralize threats. Facilitates takedown of malicious domains, fraudulent social media accounts, and phishing sites. 4. Fraud prevention and brand protection. Identifies fake domains, rogue mobile apps, and impersonation campaigns using threat intelligence. Reduces risks of customer deception and financial fraud. 5. Continuous monitoring and adaptive defense. Provides real-time alerts and incident reports based on threat intelligence updates. Enables organizations to adapt their security posture against evolving threats. 6. Intelligence sharing for strengthened security. Integrates with SIEMs, SOCs, and threat intelligence platforms, tips for enhanced visibility. Supports collaboration with ISSs, CERTs, and industry peers to mitigate threats more effectively. How does Fishlabs monitor and protect social media from cyber threats? Fishlabs, a cybersecurity company specializing in threat intelligence and digital risk protection, helps organizations monitor and protect social media from cyber threats through a combination of advanced technology and human expertise. Here's how they do it. 1. Continuous social media monitoring. Fishlabs actively scans social media platforms for signs of cyber threats, including phishing campaigns, brand impersonation, fake accounts, and malicious links. AI-driven technology analyzes posts, comments, and direct messages to detect threats in real time. 2. Brand and executive protection. The platform monitors for fake profiles impersonating brands, executives, and employees to prevent scams and fraud. It identifies unauthorized use of logos, trademarks, and other brand assets to mitigate reputation damage. 3. Phishing and malware detection. Fishlabs detects phishing links and malware distribution attempts on social media platforms. It integrates with takedown services to quickly remove malicious content before it causes harm. 4. Fraud and scam detection. The system identifies fraudulent promotions, fake giveaways, and scam advertisements that target unsuspecting users. It flags suspicious financial fraud attempts, such as impersonation of customer support accounts. 5. Automated and human analysis. Machine learning models analyze large volumes of data to detect threats with high accuracy. Cyber threat analysts validate and investigate flagged incidents to ensure effective response and mitigation. 6. Incident response and threat mitigation. Fishlabs works with social media platforms to report and remove threats efficiently. It provides actionable intelligence to organizations, allowing them to proactively address risks. 7. Dark web and deep web intelligence. Threat actors often plan social media attacks on underground forums. Fishlabs monitors these sources to anticipate attacks before they reach social platforms. 8. Security awareness and training. Organizations receive insights on emerging social media threats. Employees are educated on recognizing social engineering attacks to prevent compromise. What are the best practices for implementing Fishlabs digital risk protection in an enterprise? Implementing Fishlabs digital risk protection (DRP) in an enterprise requires a structured approach to maximize threat intelligence, reduce attack surfaces, and enhance response capabilities. Here are the best practices. 1. Define objectives and scope. Identify key digital assets to protect, such as domains, social media accounts, and brand reputation. Determine the threat landscape specific to your industry, example phishing, impersonation, data leaks. Align DRP goals with broader cybersecurity and risk management strategies. 2. Integrate with security operations. Establish workflows between Fishlabs DRP and your Security Operations Center, SOC. Integrate DRP alerts with CM, SOAR, and threat intelligence platforms, TIPS, for automated response. Enable threat feed ingestion into endpoint detection and response, EDR, or firewall systems. 3. Automate threat monitoring and intelligence collection. Set up real-time monitoring for phishing campaigns, fake domains, social media impersonation, and leaked credentials. Leverage Fishlabs' machine learning-driven detection to reduce false positives and prioritize threats. Implement automated domain takedown processes for identified phishing sites. 4. Conduct regular threat analysis and investigations. Utilize Fishlabs' analyst-driven threat intelligence to profile adversaries and tactics. Correlate phishing threats with MITRE ATT and CK tactics for better understanding and response. Identify common phishing themes targeting employees, customers, and partners. 5. Implement incident response playbooks. Define standard operating procedures, SOPs, for handling phishing attacks. Develop automated response actions using API integrations with PhishLabs. Establish escalation processes for high-severity incidents. 6. Enhance employee and customer awareness. Deploy security awareness training using real-world phishing scenarios detected by PhishLabs. Conduct simulated phishing exercises to measure employee susceptibility. Inform customers about common phishing tactics and how to report suspicious messages. 7. Strengthen brand protection. Monitor fraudulent websites, mobile apps, and social media accounts impersonating the enterprise. Implement domain monitoring and brand infringement takedown services. Engage with legal teams for compliance and enforcement actions. Why choose ProExcellency for PhishLabs Digital Risk Protection Online Training? ProExcellency is a training provider that offers specialized courses in various domains, including digital risk protection. While specific information about their PhishLabs Digital Risk Protection online training isn't available in the provided sources, here are some general factors to consider when evaluating ProExcellency for such training. 1. Expertise and specialization. ProExcellency's focus on digital risk protection suggests a curriculum tailored to industry needs, potentially offering in-depth knowledge and practical skills relevant to PhishLabs solutions. 2. Experienced instructors. Training providers with seasoned instructors can enhance learning by sharing real-world insights and best practices in digital risk protection. 3. Comprehensive curriculum. A well-structured course covering key aspects of PhishLabs digital risk protection services, such as brand protection, threat intelligence, and security awareness training, can provide a holistic understanding of the platform. PhishLabs. 4. Hands-on training. Practical exercises and simulations can deepen understanding of PhishLabs tools and methodologies, preparing participants for real-world application. 5. Positive reviews and testimonials. Researching feedback from past participants can offer insights into the training's effectiveness and relevance. 6. Certification. Completion certificates can validate your expertise in PhishLabs digital risk protection, enhancing professional credibility. Given ProExcellency's specialization in digital risk protection, their training programs may provide valuable knowledge and skills applicable to PhishLabs services. It's advisable to contact ProExcellency directly for detailed information about their course offerings, instructor qualifications, and any available reviews or testimonials. Thank you.